Hi Taurus, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So this is your weekly reading. Here I will check your recent past, current energy and your immediate future. We will see one card for overall energy for the reading. Okay. Anyway, these are general messages. So some messages may match with you, some may not. Whichever matching, keep it, leave the rest. Okay. So this is your overall energy. So your recent past, the 7 of Cups, Knight of Swords, 9 of Wands. You have so many options and you are very much in rush for something. Here I'm not saying that you want to take any kind of action even though you have so many options. 7 of Cups is some kind of options card, abundance card where person can have so many things. Whatever they can do, they can grab that opportunities and do that. So you are in that situation in the past, recent past, okay? But even you are in a young energy, Knight of Swords energy, where you want to rush and take that opportunity or grab that opportunity at least in your mind, because it is not action oriented, right? It is simply either thinking in your mind to rush towards those opportunities or just simply take action towards that opportunities but not taking any action in the physical sense. Okay, it is like one kind of immature energy. You want to go, want to achieve or want to grab all those opportunities. That opportunities can be anything. Okay, whether it is in the sense of professional matter, whether it is in the sense of relationship matters. Here you are young energy and one young energy is presented with so many opportunities. 9 of Wands. Still, even though you want to rush, you want to go and you want to grab all those opportunities, it is in your brain, but when it comes to in the physical sense, you are very much guarded, or you may be carrying some kind of trust issues, that whether how it is going to happen, what will happen, if at all I choose someone, what is going to happen, how they are going to react, or how they are going to be with you. If at all it is in the sense of professional matters also, if I grab that opportunity, what will be the result, whether I am going to get successful or not. It is all because of your past issues. You are carrying some kind of 9 of Wands energy, like trust issues, holding lot of trust issues within yourself, where even though you have so many opportunities, even though you have that energy where you can grab the opportunities and take advantage of that opportunities, but still you are not doing it because of your own trust issues. Okay, because it is more than anything trust issues. You are not trusting anyone. Even this 7 of Cups, you are not trusting these opportunities. Even though mentally your mind, your logical brain is telling let's go and take that opportunity. But your fears are your past, mostly in the sense of fears means your past traumas or past experiences stopping you to take that action or drop the guards and grab that opportunities. In the current energy, 3 of Wands, 10 of Swords, 5 of Cups. You waited for something. Maybe you are waiting for someone or some kind of specific opportunity, or here I can say it is maybe someone you are waiting. You are waiting for someone in your life in the current energy. As of now, when you are watching this reading also, within yourself internally you are expecting something, whether it is a job opportunity, whether it is a business proposal, whether it is a simple relationship matters. You are waiting for someone. You have that faith in the situation. You have the trust that that person, that job, that opportunity is going to come towards you. Okay, you have that faith. That is also one reason you are waiting very patiently. I think whatever you are waiting for, you are not going to receive. 5 of Cups. You are going to understand that whatever you may be waiting for till now, maybe here I cannot say how long you may be waiting, maybe within yourself, even though that is also one reason, even though you have the 7 of Swords, the 7 of Cups energy, still you are not grabbing any opportunities because maybe you want something special or you are waiting for something special. That can be anything. But here you will understand, you are going to understand that whatever you are waiting for, that is not going to come because it is a past. waiting for something. You are waiting for past thing which is already gone. But still, somewhere you are carrying that faith, somewhere you are trusting that it will come towards you. Whether it is an opportunity, whether it is a person. You will understand very soon. Okay? When you are watching this reading, if at all you did not, you are going to understand that it is already gone. You have other opportunities. You can turn back and take that opportunities. Have it. If at all it is in the sense of emotions, you already hold cups. But still, you are crying over things which is already gone, which is no more available in your life. Ten of Swords. This is what happened. There is Two of Cups. You can take action. You don't need to cry about the past things, but still you are doing the same thing, like sitting and crying over the past instead of enjoying these Two Cups. Whomever the Two Cups, you are going to lose that also. Complete ending. You are not going to have anything in your life. It is just because of your mindset, I can say, more than anything. Because when the opportunities are there, you fail to grab those opportunities. That is also one reason. Even universe gave you multiple choices, multiple times. Because even here, you maybe lost this Three of Cups, but still Two of Cups is there. You can enjoy your life with this Two of Cups. Past is past, but you are not understanding that past is gone. Maybe you need one kind of assurance that nothing is left in my life. This is what universe is giving you. Ten of Swords. You are finally going to understand whatever ended, it is ended completely. There is no return back. You are going to understand very soon because it is current energy. As of now, you can be in the waiting mode, or you are understanding that slowly internally you are crying over the past instead of appreciating whatever you already have in your life. Okay, that is the reason why finally universe is going to take whatever you are holding. This Two of Cups also you are going to lose. See, one person is already there in your life. They are offering their cup of love, but still, instead of looking at those cups, instead of giving your time to them, you are simply crying over something which is already gone. What that person will do? This person will choose someone else. That time you feel like betrayal. Complete ending. Maybe you need that complete ending in your life so that you can understand that. How to appreciate things when it is available to you. Okay? Don't get triggered. It is the truth. In the immediate future, justice is going to serve. No need to worry. Justice, King of Cups, Five of Pentacles. So in the immediate future, justice is going to serve. Whatever ended in the Ten of Swords energy, you are going to get justice for. Things will going to get balanced. Actually here I think you are simply not ending your past. Even though you know that something is gone. Universe gave you multiple options so that you can choose anything. Forget about the past. Choose something new. But you did not done it because of your own trust issues. Because of whatever experiences you had in the past, you hold some kind of fears and insecurities. That is also one reason you still want past thing. Because past is habituated. You are habituated to the past and you feel safe with that past because you already had some kind of experience with that. That is also one reason you are simply waiting. You are not making any kind of choices. You are simply waiting. And meanwhile, when you are crying over something, because even though you are waiting, you are not going to get anything. And when you are losing everything, or at least whatever you are understood that anyway, if at all I am going to wait, also I am not going to get. That time when you are crying over something, it is already Two Cups is there. Someone is there in your life who is offering their cup of love. But still, you fail to appreciate that cup. When the universe offered the Seven of Cups, you fail to appreciate. When you already have someone who is offering cup of love, you still fail to appreciate. That person also gone. How long people will wait for you? They will also gone. They may be offered their cup of love to someone. You fail to complete betrayal. Complete ending. Nothing is left in your life. It may sounds. This reading may sounds negative, but it should happen. Because you need to leave your past completely. You need to wipe your past completely. You need to learn how to let go of the things. But I think you are a very stubborn person, or you have difficulties when it comes to let go of the things. That is also one reason universe, you did not give any chance to the universe, even though universe gave multiple choices. Still it is there, but you did not give any choice to the universe. So final choice is ending everything, whatever is there, completing. There is no past, nothing is left, because you deserve something. Maybe you need to understand more than deserve. You need to understand how to let go of the things, how to leave the things which is not there in our life, and how to appreciate the things which is already existed in our life. Instead of seeing the things in our present moment and appreciating those things, enjoying with those things, you are simply crying over the past. It is like you are having some kind of unhealthy attachments with your past, or some kind of pessimistic mindset. Okay, here more than pessimistic mindset, yeah, somewhere it is pessimistic, because even though the 7 of cups, still you are holding 9 of wands energy. No, don't want to grab any opportunity because of your own insecurities, own trust issues. You need to come out of it. What will universe will do? Universe will offer so many bunch of opportunities, still you are not taking, not grabbing, simply thinking that because of your past experience, you are simply thinking that this person is, I cannot trust this person, I cannot trust this opportunity, I cannot trust this situation. What universe will do? You need to change your mindset. You are not changing. Complete ending. Okay, let's end completely. You won't be having anything. You are going to understand the things then. This is a justice. Whatever happened, it is not a good thing. 10 of Swords is not a good thing. But still, this is the only way you gave to the universe to balance the things. You did not give any other choice to the universe, even though the universe gave you so many things. So balancing the things, you are getting that balance. Don't worry. King of Cups. You are finally understanding how to love, or at least how to be kind to others, how to be matured, how to be take responsibility of our own life, how to be accountable, because this is young energy. This is 9 of Wands. This is also one kind of young energy. This is also 5 of Cups, one kind of energy. There are so much mess in your mind, brain, more than life, because of your own mental thoughts, because of your own mindset. You hold lot of mess. Finally, the moment you completely ended some things in your life, complete ending, you are going to get balance. That balance is nothing but you are going to understand what is life, what is responsibility. If at all you are a husband figure, father figure, you will understand your responsibilities in a right way. Okay, because in the past you may be still carrying this position, but you hold lot of problems, issues within yourself, not in your life. No one is creating these problems. It is completely within yourself. This ending will teach you how to be responsible, how to be in your power. If at all you are a father figure, husband figure, it will teach you how to take your responsibilities, how to be accountable for your actions. You are going to understand your own love, own emotions, as well as how to deal with the situation in a loving, caring manner, how to understand other people, how to give that love to other people. Okay, it is like one kind of responsible position you are going to get, or at least you will become responsible, because after 10 of Swords, nothing is left. So you need to grow up. Here you are not ready to grow up. You are going to grow up. This 5 of Pentacles. But I think meanwhile you are going to understand all these things, what exactly your responsibility, how to deal with people, how to take care of your own life, how to take accountability for your own actions. Meanwhile, all those things, someone is going to leave you, whomever they can be, whomever involved in your life, that person is going to leave you. They are not going to deal with you, or they don't want to deal with you because they maybe gave a lot of time, or you took a lot of time to understand the situation, understand their value. So 5 of Pentacles, even though you have this responsible position, you are going to understand what is your responsibility, how to take care of responsibility. But still I think some people are going to leave you. Here I am not seeing that this 5 of Pentacles, you are going to abandon someone, but someone in your life, if at all, as I said, it is a father figure, husband figure, your spouse, your kids, they are going to go away from you, even though they are feeling like abandoned. They are feeling like left out in the cold. It is not that you are leaving them. You are not abandoning them. They took that decision. They are going to take the decision because anyway in this situation they may be dealt with lot of things. You never cared about their emotions. You never take care of them. Maybe for you, you may be thinking that I am taking care of very well as a father figure, but you are not doing your duty. That is also one reason this person finally, even though it is a very difficult decision to make, this person, whomever they may be, whomever, you feel that someone is dependent on you. Or if at all you existed, families existed, you feel that people are, that families existed on you, depend on you, whichever existed family, they are going to leave you. They won't be with you. It is not that you are going to abandon because you are ready to offer your cup of love, King of Cups. You are still in a King of Cups energy, but they don't want. They feel like abandoned. It's okay for them, at least in the immediate future. So Star card, overall energy. So anyway, whatever is happening in the current situation, no need to worry. You are going to get this healing. Okay, because overall energy for the reading is healing. So healing is coming towards you. You are going to get healed from everything. Future is good because in the immediate future things are getting balanced. Okay. So thank you for watching. For more readings you can like and subscribe. For personal readings you can mail me. You'll find the details in description box. We will meet next week with your next week energy.